everybody, and welcome to Shift. Today we are going to be going over everything bookmark related. Shift is in fact a productivity tool and a browser all wrapped up into one, and what is a tool like that without a few bookmarks? We all have our favorite websites and we all have our most used websites, and we're going to need a place to manage them and a place to store them. So you've definitely come to the right place. We're going to be going over how to add new bookmarks, manage the bookmarks and the folders, and hide and show the bookmark bar. You will have one global bookmark bar in Shift that you all have access to in all of your workspaces, which is super handy. We would like to preface by saying there is a limit with how many bookmarks you can have in Shift. However, it is a big number. It is currently at 5,000. We hope we can make it up for this by these great bookmarking tools. We'd like to note that you can import your previous bookmarks from a previous browser you may have used in the past, which we will have the link on how to do that in our bio to this video. I'm first going to show you how to add a bookmark. It is quite self-explanatory and very user-friendly, but it's always nice to have a little walkthrough tutorial. Since we are talking about bookmarks, I thought it would be nice to bookmark something book-related. I've decided to bookmark the bookstore Indigo so that I'll have quick access to buy my favorite books. To bookmark it, you'll locate this star in the right side of the search box and you'll press Add Bookmark. Here you can change the name. Maybe I'll just want it to be nice and short. The URL will be here and you can choose to add it to the bookmark bar within this workspace. I'll press Save and voila, we now have a beautiful bookmark added. This bookmark has been added to my work bookmark bar here, which means you are not going to find it in each and every one of my workspaces. Within this workspace, you will have the actual work bookmark bar, as well as you will have access to your home bar, which is the global bookmark bar that you will find throughout all your workspaces. Now I've gone ahead and added a folder here on my bookmark bar, and I'm going to show you just how to do that. To add a folder, there are a couple ways to go about it. You can simply right click and press add a folder on your bookmark bar. You can provide it with a name and then you can hit save. Another way to do this would be to actually head to your bookmark manager, and there are two different ways to do this as well. You can right click on the actual bookmark bar here and press bookmark manager. This will take you to this lovely screen here. And quickly I will show you another way to get it as well. By heading over to this settings icon in the top right, you can select this bookmark icon here, which will also bring you to that bookmark manager. Within here, you will notice that I do have each of my workspaces listed here. So we do have our global bookmark bar up here that we will have access to throughout, and then we have our bookmark bar for each workspace. You can look closer within each workspace and see what you have bookmarked within each bookmark bar. And then within here, you can also create a new folder, or you can also create a new bookmark if you have the link copied already. Now we have a lot of space for customization and moving around different bookmarks to where you might need it most. For example, Indigo might be a wonderful bookmark to have, but it might not be super appropriate or super meaningful to have in my work bookmark bar. This is something I might find useful in my family workspace. I can easily move these by dragging and dropping them into the proper space that I want it. Now we've got it in our family bookmark bar, and I don't have to worry about creating a whole new bookmark within that actual space. The same also goes for folders, and if I've found a better space for this folder, then I can definitely easily move it at my will. Here you can also rearrange the order of your bookmarks, which you will also be able to do on the main screen as well. So if I take you back here, we can drag and drop where we'd like our bookmarks to be. I find visually it might be a little bit easier to do it in the actual manager since everything is a lot bigger. However, you can do it to your preference. And lastly, I want to point out that maybe you are not the biggest bookmark user and you just don't like that extra space up there. Let's get rid of it. For starters, you can use a shortcut. On Mac, it is Command-Shift-B, and on Windows, it is Control-Shift-B. I have clicked it there and we have gotten rid of our bookmark bar. Another way you can get rid of this is again by our settings in the top right. We can scroll down here and we can toggle off the Show Bookmark Bar. This will get rid of that and will maybe create some extra space that you might need. I really hope this gave you some extra insight into our bookmark manager and our bookmarks within Shift. I personally find them super useful and a great way to organize my different workflows, and I hope you do too. If you do have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. It is support@tryshift.com, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. Thanks so much for listening. Have a great day. Bye.